Hello and welcome back to Spring Math. This is week 2 for least common denominators. Now, I'm going to say this right now because I know you're looking at this going, hey, Mr. Braben, Mr. Gubino, that first one, that whole 3/6, you can simplify that. And I'm going to tell you, yeah, you could absolutely simplify that, but don't in this case. What we're going to do is focus on the denominators part here. When I say focus on the denominators, if I'm looking at the first one, I've got 2/9 and 3/6. Right? Just think about the 9 and the 6 in the denominator. What is the least common denominator, the lowest common multiple for 9 and 6? In this case, that's 18. So these are both going to be 18ths in this case. For the first fraction, 2/9, what do I have to do to get to 18ths? Well, I have to multiply both the top and bottom by 2. And if I'm multiplying both top and bottom by 2, that's like multiplying by 1. So I'm not really actually changing anything, which makes it really nice. If I do multiply that top by 2, though, I get 4/18. And let's look at 3 and 6. How do I get from 6/6 to 18ths? Well, I multiply by 3. Got to do it to both top and bottom. And if I do that, I get 9/18. So 4/18 and 9/18. Once again, just look at the denominators first. Even if you could simplify, look at the denominators first. Number 2, what is the lowest common denominator between 6 and 4? That would be 12. Trying to get them both to 12. Well, how do I do that? I multiply the left one, both top and bottom, by 2 to get 4/12. And the right one, I'd multiply by 3 on top and bottom to get 9/12. As I move on, we have 6th and 4th. I just done that one to know that, well, yeah, we did. 12ths. How do I go from 1/6 to something with 12ths? I multiply both top and bottom by 2, get 2/12 on the left fraction. For 2/4, I would multiply by 3, because 3 times 4 is 12. I would get 6/12. Let's think about 2 and 6. Here's a fun one. How about 6, right? We're going to keep the right one as 6, as 2/6. And how would I get from 1/2 to 2/6? I'd multiply top and bottom by 3 to get 3/6. So look at the next row, 6 and 4. I think, I'm not sure. We've done this one maybe twice already. Our denominator is going to be 12. If I do that, I'm multiplying the left one by 3, so 3/12, the right one by 2 to get 8/12. 6 and 8. Oh, here's a good one. Here's a good one. How about
24?
24. Thank you, Mr. Gubino. There we go. He's my partner helping me out here. How do I get from 6 to 24? Well, I multiply by 4. 1 times 4 does happen to be 24. How do I get from 8 to 24? Multiply by 3. Top and bottom by 3. I get 3/24. How about 3 and 8, Mr. Gubino? What do you think about that one? 3 and 8.
24.
Hey, 24 again. 24 again. Multiply the top and bottom by 8 to get 8/24 on the left fraction of 1/3. And on the right fraction, multiply by 3 to get 3/24. The last one I'm going to do here is 4 and 7. I'm going to get cross. What do you say? Do you agree? 28? 28. 28 is my lowest common denominator, my least common denominator. So how do I get from 4 to 28? I multiply by
7.
7. 3 times 7 is 21. How do I get from 7 to 28? Cross.
4.
Multiply by 4. I'm going to have 12/28. That's your job. That's what you're trying to do. You're not trying to simplify things first. Just take a look at the denominators, find the least common denominator, change the fractions, knock it out. Have a great week.